This highly automated fluid charging bay ensures zero air pocket filling. The dual-circuit thermal management system requires absolute precision.
The specialized transmission fluid rises, demonstrating its specific gravity. A robotic sensor array
As you can see, the thermal signatures are completely clear. Process A is confirmed.
Excellent. That verifies the lubrication circuits are ready for intake.
Robotic sensors independently verify the sealing mechanisms, ensuring oil and coolant circuits remain strictly
A specialized heating element warms the red transmission fluid, ensuring optimal viscosity before the sensor array can... The commencement of Process A, primary engine oil manufacturing. The high-viscosity synthetic oil flows into the Porsche. Uniform low-noise signatures across all circuits.
excellent. The acoustic scan is complete and verified.
The initiation of process B begins as the dielectric coolant rushes into the vacuum-primed cooling circuit.
The pale blue low conductivity dielectric coolant flowing over the internal structure of a transparent inspection.
The coolant flow ceases, and the robotic arm injects a precise volume of inert gas, bringing the pressure up to the specified.
A robotic arm seals the final brake caliper bleed nipple, utilizing a proprietary sealing compound. The robotic arms connect to the central ECU, initiating a comprehensive diagnostic across all 6. The massive panel descends slowly, protecting the V8 engine. Specialized fasteners are automatically inserted and torqued.
Look at the process B readings, absolutely stable.
And the V8 circuit remains within tolerance. It's a successful rollout.
Thermal regulation is stable across both systems. Process A and B validated. We have a green light.
As the dielectric coolant surges, sensors confirm the temperature remains stable, demonstrating the success of the thermal management system.
Curves. The robotic system applies a thick, protective wrap which adheres smoothly to the panels. The arm then heat seals. V8 engine revs intensely, ensuring optimal lubrication under extreme load. The stability during cornering
Process B confirms the electric motor coolant temperature is optimal, maintaining thermal stability even after aggressive driving.
A testament to rigorous industrial processes.